everyone, and welcome to teaching Arabic letters. We'll go one by one, and we will have more and more lessons to study and make it easy for you to learn Arabic letters and then Arabic words and sentences. Today we will have the first letter in Arabic language. We write it like that, straight line, and we will put up a mark or a small letter which we call it Hamza. This is a small one we can add or remove according to the A letter. We will learn this later. So we call this letter A, same like A letter, A. But it comes in two different styles. With Hamza, so we make it strong and we have to pronounce it like in the word, in English word, react. React. So in this word we focus on A, react. But if we remove this Hamza and we make it like that only, it is A, which is extension, can be like in the middle or at the end of the word, and it is like in the word cat, car. So if we put the Hamza, it will be A. If we remove the Hamza, it will be A also, but if it came in the middle or before the end of the word, it will be extension like A, like that. Okay, so in Arabic language we have three marks or accents which will change how we pronounce the word. So we have first one called fatha or open, because you open your mouth when you say it, and when we put it up like that, we will pronounce this as but if we put it down, we call it kasra, and you pronounce it like E. So we have to break it like E, but make sure here that when you put the kasra down, the Hamza also will be down. Okay, this is specific for letter A. So Hamza also will go down. So it will be E. The third accent, if we put, it's something similar, it's called the Dhamma, and it's similar to comma O, and then drag this down. So to remember that this is O, you will pronounce it as O, letter O. So this one is O, and E. Remember to put the Hamza down, only in this case with the A. But if the A, it comes without Hamza, so simply you will put A, E, and O. We will go more for more example for coming lessons. Follow up for more, and thanks for watching.